Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Daytona Coupe. It's a Factory 5 with a small block in it. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood so you can check out the small block. We're gonna take a look at the interior. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna have some fun with it. You're gonna love it. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. Old number 8. Now the stripes are vinyl, looking great. I tell you what, the green paint is just popping. I was out driving the car earlier today, just had a blast. The body work on it is amazing. Paint is smooth as can be. Now these are actually simulated knockoffs. There's actually lug nuts underneath there. You spin that lug nut or that knockoff off and it reveals the lug nuts from underneath. The release on the door is right inside here. You can see it's got the racing seats in it with the 4-point harness, the wood steering wheel. Now the steering wheel is removable. That's your 5-speed shifter there. It's got a stereo in it. The car does have air conditioning and the air conditioning does work. I was just out driving it today. We had a blast with it. Now you can see the paint is smooth as can be. The stripes come right to the back. We got a number 8 on the back and an 8 ball. When you look down the side of it, straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So we own this Daytona Coupe. Right now we've got about 230 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. We bring in between 45 and 50 new vehicles every month, so keep a close eye on us. Now I'm involved in buying every one of those cars, so I'm gonna help you pick out your dream car. All right, here we go for riding the Daytona Coupe. What an amazing ride. Let's go racing. Car is sweet, guys. Look at this. Driving with 2 fingers, no problem whatsoever. The car is sweet. Now, I'm 6 foot tall and weigh about 240. I fit in here just fine. Trans feels good. It drives like it's on rails. Really sweet ride right here. And we have the air conditioning on. Yeah, that's right. Race car with air conditioning. No better way to go. Now we can deliver this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now you don't need to do anything but make a phone call. Just call Tom, he will take care of all the details for you. Even if you need financing, call Tom, he'll hook you up with the banker, set you all up. Takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker and you're all ready to go, guys. Look at this thing turn on a dime. Now we're right outside the Motor City and we're real close to the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and take a look at this baby in person, please feel free to come on in. You know about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, but we do love it when our customers come in. Love to meet our customers. Now if you want to send an inspector, no problem with that either. We will treat the inspector just like we treat you. We'll get it up on the lift for them, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you call Tom, let him know you're coming in. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage, and we've got about 230 cars in stock. So it may take us a minute to dig it out. That's what you want to hear. I love these cars, man. You want to talk about having fun driving? It's like driving a go-kart on the road. Now we're coming up on our shop right now, and we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, see what's making all the music coming out of those beautiful side pipes. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. Now here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Daytona Coupe now, and man, is it cool under here. Look at that. IRS rear end. Yep, that's out of a Mustang, guys. And that thing is beautiful. All tubular, all adjustable, looking great. Disc brakes, all the upgrades back here. Right around 373 gear, and of course it is posi. The frame on the car, man, Factory Five builds such a cool frame. I tell you what, you can put a floor jack right there and jack up this whole side of the car. This frame is so stiff. Now they've got braces going in every direction here. They've got some coating here on the tin work to keep down the sound. We got a Tremec 5-speed here. We've got an explosion-proof bell housing. It's got a cable clutch on it. We got the 5-liter motor up front here making all the power. We got disc brakes up front here. These are Corvette calipers. Tubular upper and lower control arms, rack and pinion steering. It is manual steering. And you see the nose on it, not a scratch on it, looking great. Now let's look at these wheels here. We got some, these are knockoffs here that reveal the lug nuts. So there's 5 lug nuts under there. You spin that off, there's a set screw in there. You take off, spin that off, and then there's lug nuts to take out. We've got Cooper Cobra tires. And these are 235 60/15s. Side pipes are jet coated and they look brand spanking new. Let's look at the rear tires here. Let's see, we've got, let's see if I can find, oh, I'll get my hand over it. 295 50 15s out back, and again, the rim is in beautiful shape. And right there, that's where the music's coming out, guys, those twin side pipes. Let's get under that hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 90s model 5-liter motor. It's got the Ford intake on it. It's got a 600 CFM 4-barrel Holley on there. Everything under here is nice and neat. Of course, it does have air conditioning. We talked about that earlier. It's got an aluminum radiator in it with some electric fans keeping it cool. This front suspension is all adjustable. You can see you can adjust anything you want. Set it up to go racing, set it for a nice, comfortable Sunday afternoon drive, whatever you want to do with this beauty. Guys, call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.